Today we will learn basics of multimeter. Here I have two multimeters. This is a digital multimeter, and here I have analog multimeter. So both are useful. These two are different multimeters, but they have different application. They are both are important. So we will learn how to use this different type of multimeter and its use purpose. So this is a digital multimeter and this is analog, and it has a, why it is called multimeter means it can be used to measure different things such as voltage, current and resistance, and we can also use it to check electronic components such as resistance, transistors, ICs, capacitor, continuity test. So for multi-purpose we can use, because of that it is called as analog multimeter, and this is called as digital multimeter. So this is called multimeter because we use it for different purpose. Today we will see there are different markings around this analog digital meter analog multimeter. So here you can see a range where a selector knob is there. It shows a range of AC voltage. Here it is a resistance, and here battery test round about 5 volt to 9 volt to 1.5 volt. Here DC milliamperes means to check current, and DC voltage here 2.5, 10 volt, 50 volt, 250 and 1000 volt. So DC voltages, AC voltages, resistance, battery check and current measurement. So you can measure multi things here by using an analog multimeter, and also you can check a continuity test for any cable or a wire. So today we will check a voltage. So here I have a switchboard with different plugs where we can check voltage in parallel connection of this voltmeter. So here we have selected a 250 volt. I'll select it to 1000 volt AC because this current is AC. Because it can cross 250 volt, we will select the selector knob in from 250 to 1000 volt AC current and check whether any deflection occurs or not. So when we put this see one in and another, so we have the switch off. Now we can put both switch on. So the deflection is showing here, it is more than, so selector knob is in 1000 volt, and the meter deflection here it is showing 250 or 230 volt range, showing that the voltage of this switchboard is 230 to 235 range voltage is coming out. So this deflection of this needle shows that voltage is been coming out of this plug, this female plug out of 230 volt. As we switch off, the deflection goes back. So as we switch on, the deflection, the needle deflects in the scale of voltage, showing that the needle is showing 230 volt is coming out of the female plug, 3-pin plug. So this is how we can measure a voltage range in using a analog multimeter. Next we can check in digital multimeter. So here is the digital multimeter. First we have to switch it on. So here there are knob and the selectors range. Here we have to check where, so in this also there are different ranges. Here it shows ampere range from 2 milliamperes to 20 milliamperes, and also more than that for AC current and all. Then there is a resistance mode from 200 ohm till to 200 mega ohm. And here it is DC voltages from 200 volt, 1000 volt, 200 volt, 20 volt, 2 volt, and millivolt also. Here is AC voltages showing here 1000 volt, 750 volt, 200 volt, 20 volt, 2 volt, and so on. So here is microfarad also. Here it is showing 200 micro farad, 20 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and all those things. So here maximum the port is of 20 amperes, here milliamperes, common, and voltage range. Here you can test, these ports are given to test a measurement of transistor and PNP and NPN transistor. So this is a resistance check. Here it is a AC current check in milliamperes. Here it is a microfarad test, farad it is mentioned. Here AC voltages test, and here DC voltage, DC voltage. So A means ampere, here ampere, F farad, voltage, AC voltage, a sine wave is there, here DC voltage. So this is how we can measure using a digital multimeter. So next we will put it on, we can put it on. Now we have to measure the voltage of AC voltage. So here we can, here it is AC volt, sine wave is shown. So we will keep it to 1000, and here it is 750 volt AC. We can keep this to 750 volt AC. And common port here, voltage, and one more here. Now we have range of 750 volt, switch it on. So here the meter is showing 231 volt or nearly 232, because it is a digital multimeter, it will show accurate. So it is showing a 232 volt or nearly 230 volt as in analog multimeter. So here it is showing accurate, that is 233 volt is coming out of this. So we have selected the selector knob to 750 volt AC selector knob. The range is selected, and both the probe are inserted inside the female 3-pin plug, and switch is on. This switch is on because this plug is connected to this switch, and it shows 233 volt accurate voltages. So this is how we can use different types of multimeter to check voltages and other like current, resistance, capacitance, transistors, all, and also continuity test using these types of multimeter. So this is also a tester. Here you can check the whether current is coming or not through this. So here you can check whether which is live and neutral connection. Here when you put this tester, here you can check the bulb is the tester is glowing, means this is a live connection, and this no glow means neutral, and this is earthing. So same way here also you check the live, neutral, and earthing. 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 So this is how we can check, use the digital multimeter to check the voltage range in the wiring connection of the switchboard. So this is the switchboard where I have made. So inside also you can, here also you can check how the connections are made here. So here you can see 3 wires are coming. This is the live wire. This green wire is earthing. This black wire is what you can call, it is a neutral connection. So this is connected, this live wire I have connected it to the indicator lamp because we have to check whether current is coming or not. And then it is this live wire or live wire is connected to the switch, and this live wire is further connected to the what we call it as um, live of female 3-pin plug, and further it is connected to all other switches in this circuit. So this switch is kept vacant, only one switch is placed with the indicator. So next the neutral wire, you can see this black wire, this is directly connected to the neutral point of this thing, and circuit is continuity here. So same thing is continuity with this thing. Now this is a green wire is earthing wire, so it is connected here, all are connected this plug. So we have three points here. Here we have earthing, neutral, and live wire. So red is live wire. Sometimes because the plug connection may vary in switchboard, the connection may vary, but ultimately we have live wire, neutral wire, and neutral wire and earthing wire. Green is earthing, live, and neutral. So this is how we can check the do the wiring connection in a switchboard and check the voltages in the multimeter. Here we can check the voltage here by also see see how we can measure here. So 233 34 volt is coming, so all plug will show the same voltages here. So this is how we can measure the voltages here in the switchboard using the two types of multimeter. Friends, I teach regarding electricity and multimeter tutorials through live experiments and practical testing. So that you don't miss the further next lessons, try to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.